Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. So on that note, let's get into the video. So this is about week 4 assignment of Introduction to Programming in C course. So friends, first of all, let's see the code of question number 2. Let's start with second question. So it is about a number of distinct numbers in the sequence. So I will show you the code now. Uh, you can This is the code. You can divide it into parts so that you can note it easily. Guys, this is the second question code. So there are two parts here. The first one, this is the first part and this is the second part. So from here to here, first of all, take a screenshot, or you can note that here, pause the video here itself. This is the first part, and this one is second part. This one is second part, and the above one is first part. So pause the video here itself and note it down, or you can take screenshot and type it there. So once again I am going to show you. This is the first one. This is the first part. You can stop the video here itself and note it down, and I will show you the second part. Yeah, this is the second part. Second part. So hope you have noted this down. I will copy whole of this and I will paste it here. So let's see what happens. So uh, I will zoom this once again for you. So this is the first part, and this is the second part. I will zoom back again. So let's see what happens. I am clicking compile and run button here. So if we see, there is only one test case and public test case, and it is also showing passed. So let's check private test cases, and if you can see this private test cases, there are 3 private test cases and 3 are showing passed status. So our solution is 100% correct. And let's see the first question code now. The first question code. So this is the question number 1, and they are asking output the largest number in the first array that is not present in the second one. So I will show you the code for the first one. This is the second question code. I will show you the first question code. This is somewhat bigger compared to that of the second one. Here I will divide it into parts again for your easy understanding. This is the first part. This small one is second part. Guys, please stop the video here itself. If you want to note down, you can note down, or you can take a screenshot simply. So I am wiping off this, and I will show you the third part for the first question. So this is the third part. This is second one, and the above one is first part. I have shown already before. seeing. So first part, second part and third part, and I will show you the next part also. So this is the big one, that is fourth part and final one. This is fourth part. Guys, type it in the order that I have shown you. The sequence is very important because there will be some controls and they may get lost. So please note this down in an order according to the number of the sequence I have given. So this is the fourth part and the final one. So please note it down here itself. So I am wiping back. This is the fourth part. This is third. This is second. Take a screenshot here. So I am again showing the first part. This is the first part. This is the second, and the below is third, and later it will be fourth. So friends, I have shown you the code. So I will paste it on the compiler and I will execute that. So I have copied this and I will paste it here. So let's see, compile and run button here. I'm clicking it. So if you see this, there are two public test cases, 2 by 2 passed. You can see the status here. Both are passed. Let's see the private test cases. So guys, here there are 4 private test cases and 3 got passed and just one is not passed. So I have tried many times to get that passed, but it is not happening. If I get the one, I will definitely inform to you. So before submission day, once see the comment section, I will paste the new code if I get the update. So something is better than nothing, so I have given this code. It is also just one test case is not getting, so most of this is passed only. We get 90% of the code is correct, so it will not be a much difference between the 100% and the just this one. So until now this is the code I got. So let's see the third question. So this is the third question. Write a program to replace the occurrence of given character with a string. So I will show you the code for third question. So friends, this is the third question code. I will divide it into parts again. So this is the first part of third question. This is second part. So note it here itself. Take a screenshot. So I am wiping it. This is the first one and this is the second one. That means first part and second part of third question. I will show you the third part also now. These are first two parts. I will show you third and fourth part and again remaining. This is the third part. This is the third part and this is fourth part. Guys, note it down here itself, and also see that here this is capital 1, capital C, and it is small c, and this is also small c. So this is third one and this is fourth one, third part and fourth part. So clearly check this. I am wiping it again to show you the remaining parts. So so this is fifth part, this is sixth one, and the remaining is seventh part. Here concludes the program. Seventh part. 5, 6, 7 parts here I have shown you. So please write in the same order that I have shown you. Take screenshot of this. So I am again wiping it off. This is again I am showing. This is fourth part. This is third one. Take screenshot. I will give 4 seconds or 5 seconds. I will wait. So this is the first part and this is second part again. So I will wait again 5 seconds for you to take the screenshot. So friends, I am wiping it off. So let's see what happens with this program. I'm going to compile this. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So let's see what happens. I'm going to compile and run here by clicking on this button. So if you see, there are two public test cases and two are showing passed. And let's check for private test cases. So in private test cases, there are 4 private test cases. Most of them, that means 3 are passed and just one is not passing. So if I get this, I will update in the comment section. So before submission day, just once again visit the comment section. But there will be very minute difference between the 100% correct code and also this one. So there will be no much points difference between them. So out of this is private test cases are 4 and public are 2, most 6. For 6 test cases we have got 5. So friends, these are the solutions for this week 4 introduction to programming in C assignment. Hope these videos are helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Guys, before saying that it's compilation error, once again check the exact line to line and also from character to character. You will definitely get that answer what I have got. So keep supporting us like this. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.